First at noon, a summer surge of COVID cases has forced another South Florida healthcare system to change its visitor policies. Good afternoon, I'm Maribel Rodriguez. Broward Health announcing those changes after Jackson Health Systems and Memorial Healthcare made the changes because of the recent spike in cases. CBS 4's Brooke Shafer is live at Jackson Memorial Hospital in Miami with the details. Brooke?
Hey, Maribel. Jackson Health told us of all of the patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 in their hospitals right now, 95% are unvaccinated. Today, some doctors across the state called out Governor Ron DeSantis, saying he could be doing more. Over the last 2 weeks, the number of COVID-positive patients in South Florida hospitals has jumped. This week, Jackson Health System updated its COVID threat level to high. Visitors are no longer allowed in most inpatient units. Broward Health this morning implemented a similar policy, limiting the number of visitors. Across its 4 hospitals, Broward Health said there are 122 COVID-positive patients. Only 2 are vaccinated.
At UF Health in Gainesville and Jacksonville, we are now seeing patients hospitalized who are younger and sicker.
This morning, doctors across Florida called out Governor Ron DeSantis and his response to the pandemic. The doctors are part of the group Committee to Protect Healthcare, which they said makes sure elected officials are held accountable. Dr. Bernard Ashby is a cardiologist in Miami.
After months and months of losing patients, friends, and family members, nearly 40,000 Floridians in total so far, it's beyond discouraging to see DeSantis celebrating. As a physician and Floridian, I am frankly angry and ashamed.
The governor needs to stop taking a victory lap, focus on Florida, and do everything within his power to support getting as many Floridians vaccinated as possible.
On the governor's campaign website, there are colorful slogans and merchandise, like this koozie that asks how you drink a beer with a mask on. The governor has held firm in his stance that lockdowns and restrictions are not coming back to Florida. But he has been vocal about vaccine access, opening up vaccination sites in Publixes and pharmacies across the state earlier this year. Today, he said this in response to criticism.
And people need to make decisions what's best for them, but to have the government come in and lock anyone down or restrict anybody is totally unacceptable. And it's easy for some physician to advocate that because it doesn't affect them. It does affect the people in this state.
Again, Maribel, less than an hour ago, Governor Ron DeSantis again saying we are not going to lock people down. As for these doctors, though, they continued to say really they want a plan from the governor. One doctor said this virus is not going anywhere. I'm live outside Jackson Health. Brooke Shafer, CBS 4 News.